Hello everyone, this is Diya from English House. So ഇന്ന് ഞാനൊരു ബുക്ക് വായിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും I stumbled across a lot of words that I don't even know. അപ്പം ഇങ്ങനത്തെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻസ് വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും we usually Google that word അല്ലെങ്കിൽ we refer to dictionary. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ വായിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ ആ ഫ്ലോ പോവും, ആ ഒരു കണ്ടിന്യൂറ്റി പോവും. So I think most of us are familiar with this issue. Even I'm facing it even now, but I have got a lot of improvement in using a technique called root word technique. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? A root word technique is a very simple one. A root word is basically a very small word in a big word, which has its own meaning and which cannot be broken down further. For example, an example പറയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്ലിയർ ആവും. Phil has a Greek origin. Phil means to love. Philosopher is a person who loves wisdom, because soph enna vaakinte meaning wisdom nanu, and phil means love. So philosopher is a person who is wise or is a person who loves wisdom. Now again, failure is fondness or liking towards something. Now hydrophile enna parayna vaak, hydrophile is to refer to a person who loves water. Similarly, bibliophile is a person who loves books. Again, A is means not. It has a negative connotation. So A ennu parayna vaak edoru vaakinte frontil varumbozhum most probably it has a negative shade of meaning. Atheist എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നിരീശ്വരവാദി, who does not believe in the existence of God, who does not believe that there is a supreme being. Similarly, ഒരു apolitical എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ someone who is not interested into politics or someone who is least interested in politics. അതുപോലെ mal is a word that means bad. Malfunction എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ something that is not properly functioning, something that is badly functioning. Malpractice is also another word which means that you're practicing something in a bad way, in a wrong way. Malicious is another word. Malicious means നമ്മൾ Disney movies അല്ലെങ്കിൽ fairy tales ഒക്കെ വായിക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും you can see a witch who is cruel, who is wicked, and you can say malicious as a character അല്ലെങ്കിൽ as a trait of that person. Malnutrition is another word that has mal as a root word. Malnutrition means your body lacks sufficient nutrients, which badly affects your health. The next root word is EU, which means good. Eulogy is when you praise someone after their death. Similarly, euphoria is another word which means extreme happiness. Euphemism is again another word which means നമ്മളൊരു കാര്യം ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് റൂഡായിട്ട് പറയുന്നതിന് പകരം you can switch to a polite form. That is euphemism. So these are just a few root words that I've introduced you. നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്ത് പോകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും you will come across a lot of words. So if you find something interesting, do comment down.
English House. English at your fingertips.